it's a very, very, very good initiative, and more than good, it's a very positive initiative taken by you people, you guys. Like, it's very important for us to know and to hear such positive things, because life e negativity ভর্তি পড়ে আছে। কিছু যদি এরকম হালকা ফুলকা পজিটিভ একটা জিনিস, মানে একটা টক শো এরকম হয়, তো লোকের ইচ্ছেটা, লোকের যে একটা মানে লোকে পুশ করবে যে ইয়েস ইউ ক্যান ডু ইট, ইফ এভরিওয়ান ইজ ডুইং ইউ ক্যান অলসো ডু ইট। অ্যান্ড এই লকডাউনের সময় যেখানে মানে আনএমপ্লয়মেন্ট, সুইসাইড ভীষণ বড় সড়ো ব্যাপার হয়ে আছে, সেখানে এইসব পজিটিভ অ্যান্ড মাইন্ড ফ্রেশ করা জিনিসপত্রগুলো খুবই ইম্পর্টেন্ট হয়ে উঠেছিল। And very much thank you to Turiya Communication for this initiative. It's a wonderful and beautiful initiative taken by you guys.
I think the only thing that I could say for Turiya Talks is, first of all, thank you so much for inviting us on this platform and letting us talk about our own experiences and our understanding. Also, I think you're doing a phenomenal job, so please keep at it, and we need more of such sessions on a regular basis, so that people around us are more educated, more aware of what exactly is happening. So I think keep up the good work and good luck for 2021.
You need no idea, you need no concept in your head, you need no subject to really paint. Just say, when you look at the sky, the clouds have wonderful colors, they have no meaning, but they look beautiful because of natural beauty in them. Similarly, paintings don't necessarily have to have a meaning, doesn't have to have a message. It can be just the art, the beauty of colors, the beauty of form, the beauty of shape, and all those things. Basically, it is just beauty of colors basically which I concentrate on. I combine.
एक जो बीमारी बहुत लंबा चलता है, be it psychological illness, be it organic illness, like even simple people suffering from irritable bowel syndrome, people suffering from dyspepsia, just acidity, reflux symptom, भूख जला करछे, थोड़ा भूख कम लग रहा है, बट कोई मेजर इलनेस नहीं है। बट हमने ये देखा है कि people even leave their job, people change their job, people change the place. So this is quite important कि आपको quality of life improve करना है, क्योंकि quality of life has a great impact in the life and of disease.
Listen a lot more. There was a point of time before the pandemic, I would say the leader's ability to articulate their vision and speak is very important. But today, I think the leader's ability to listen with humility. So humility, in the book I talked about the research behind why humility is becoming so important. When the way forward is not known, confidence can come across as can show you in poor light. One of the biggest human abilities is our ability to be hopeful, and I believe that whatever happens when things get destroyed, whatever gets built up is always better. And I definitely think that the world that we are moving towards is going to be better. Even though at some point of time it may sound a little low, don't worry about that, because this too shall pass, and we will emerge towards a much better tomorrow.
I think music is not just it's something that if I'm having a bad day, I listen to one song, it becomes a better day. If I'm having a better day, I listen to a same song, it becomes even better. So I think music does that for people. Whether I'm driving to some place, for music I'm in my car, I wake up in the morning. So it's very, like I said, it's very versatile. I can't really talk about a genre. Like technically, I'm really deep house and techno, which is very underground. But my life is not that. I love Bollywood music. I love hip hop. I love R&B. I wake up in the morning with bhajans in my house. Hanuman Chalisa, Gayatri Mantra. All these songs are playing in my house. So it is a big influence in my life, in every way.
सिंपली आपके चैनल पे ये आज मैं रिवील कर रहा हूँ। बहुत लोगों को पता नहीं, मैंने अपनी 10 वीडियो फेसबुक पे डाली, वो भी गेम के ऊपर, उस पर्टिकुलर गेम के ऊपर। उसके बाद जब लोगों को लगा कि मतलब जब आप स्टार्ट करते हो मतलब वीडियोस बनाना, तो लोगों को ना वो वियर्ड ही लगता है सबसे पहले तो मैंने काफी सारे वीडियोस ट्राई किए, दोस्तों को भेजता था व्हाट्सएप पर, फिर सबको मतलब सब परेशान हो गए थे, सबने तो ब्लॉक ही मार दिया था मेरे को। फिर भी लगा कि चलो मैं भी कुछ कर सकता हूँ, तो मैंने अलग अलग जॉनरा ट्राई किया, काफी सारे जॉनरा मैंने ट्राई किया, काफी सारा चीजें मैंने ट्राई की यूट्यूब पर लास्ट में मुझे लगा मैं लोगों को एंटरटेन कर सकता हूँ। व्यूअर्स है इनको एक ही चीज में बोलना चाहूंगा, जिंदगी में कभी भी डिमोटिवेट नहीं होना ब्रो, क्योंकि डिमोटिवेट वही होता है ना जिसका सोच खत्म हो जाता है। जहां से सोच खत्म होता है, जहां एक बहुत महान आदमी ने ये कहा है, नहीं होगा ये कभी भी पॉसिबल नहीं है, कैसे होगा ये सोचो। तो मैं आप सबको बताना चाहूंगा, इस प्लेटफॉर्म में आप सबको एक मोटिवेशन में देना चाहूंगा, ये इम्पॉसिबल बात एकदम गलत है, कैसे पॉसिबल होगा वो सोचो।
किसी को मदद करके, जो एक जिसके आंखों में आंसू है, जो रो रहा है, if we remove that sadness from his or her life and if we add little smile by solving his problem, वो जो हंसी होता है ना, उसका एक अलग satisfaction होता है, and that is something which is like achievement of life. And आज अगर मैं बहुत खुश हूँ, उसका बहुत बड़ा रीजन है कि मैं बहुत लोगों को खुश देख रहा हूँ।
सर टूरिया टॉक्स के लिए कोई टिप्स?
टूरिया टॉक्स तो बहुत वंडरफुल काम कर रहे हैं, और टूरिया टॉक्स के लिए मैं एक टिप दूंगा कि आप टूरिया टॉक्स को आप लोग जिस तरह से हेल्प कर रहे हो लोगों की ब्रांड बनाने में, ब्रांड को कम्युनिकेशन करने में और लोगों तक पहुंचने में, इसमें टूरिया टॉक्स बहुत वंडरफुल काम कर रहा है और आई एम वेरी हैप्पी। एंड टूरिया टॉक्स को अपना जो इमोशनल कनेक्ट है अपनी टीम पे पूरा ध्यान देना चाहिए, बिकॉज टूरिया टॉक्स इज ऑल अबाउट द टीम, ऑल अबाउट द क्रिएटिविटी, ऑल अबाउट द नोवेल्टी। एवरी फाइन मॉर्निंग, आज आप लोग जो काम करोगे टूरिया टॉक में शाम को खत्म होगी, कल सुबह उठोगे तो टूरिया टॉक को कुछ ना कुछ नया डिलीवर करना है, तभी टूरिया टॉक आगे बढ़ेगी। तो वो क्रिएटिव माइंड जो है ना, आप लोग को, हर आदमी को लेक या विक्टोरिया में मॉर्निंग वॉक पे जाना चाहिए, वहाँ कोयल की जो मीठी मीठी आवाज आती है, वाटर को देखना चाहिए, आपको सी बीच पे जाके बैठना चाहिए, नदी के किनारे बैठना चाहिए, सो दैट ऑल क्रिएटिव आइडियाज कम्स इन योर माइंड। द मोर क्रिएटिव आइडियाज विल कम इन योर माइंड, मोर यू विल बी एबल टू डिलीवर वैल्यूज टू योर क्लाइंट्स।
Content or high quality content is always a relevant content. So it's always important to know who your content consumes. So to know who is your reader, who is your audience, who is your customer. And just if you know who consumes your content, you can really create good content. Because it doesn't matter if you have like very high quality text, you have like a team, someone researches for very good content and write something very good, and your audience doesn't read it. This doesn't make sense. Or if you produce like a very expensive video in a great agency in a fantastic location with a very high budget, also this doesn't matter if nobody is watching the video. So the most important thing is that you know who is reading and who is watching my content, and then you are capable to really to produce very high quality content.
I think this platform is amazing. So I started following you guys recently. I saw a lot of interviews. The best part is that you call people from different walks of life, be it business, be it artists, be it actors, now we from the fitness industry. So it's a good curated platform where people can come discuss about their lives, their opinions. The entire team at Turiya Talks they're very enthusiastic people. They love what they do. They're very passionate about what they do. I think once you're passionate about what you do, it reflects. So you have a wonderful channel.
Really worried about, before coming on this show, and I was thinking that who wants to hear, from a housewife point of view about fitness, and who wants to know their perspective about fitness. But I think you guys are doing a amazing job. You guys are doing a great work.
Turiya is, you're doing an amazing job, not just in your professional work, but today is the time to curate good conversations. There is an abundance of it, but to curate the right conversations in the right context, talking about startup in today's time is so much relevant, and I'm so happy you thought of this, and I'm delighted you invited me so I could share my thoughts. So please do keep doing this. Video is the new medium, so please keep curating relevant talks, particularly addressing the young girls and boys. They will be eternally grateful to you.
And my final message for Turiya Talks will be, try to be in the limelight always. Because as in life, as in our own lives, also in the life of a communicator, long time no see is not acceptable.
Right, sir.
Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. That has to be kept in mind. Therefore, you, Turiya Talks, has to be always in our sight. The basic points for effective communication is attention. Attention to what you are saying, attention to what you are listening at, and attention to the person you are communicating with. Good communication is the use of right words at the right moment. Because wrong use of words can change the meaning of what you say.
So I would firstly like to thank Turiya Talks for welcoming me and making me a part of their talk show. It has always been a pleasure, working closely with Turiya Communications. And to all the viewers, I am glad you all like what I am doing, and please, like I said, keep supporting, because I think I am nothing without any of your support.
Sir, your final message to Turiya Talks?
Do well. You are doing a nice thing. It's evolving into a nice platform. Keep at it. Unless you keep at something, you never prosper. You never taste success. You are doing that. I do indeed wish you well. Thank you very much.
Right.
Yeah, so like mindfulness and awareness plus knowledge, like educate yourself, live for learning new things, learning about yourself. Before you do anything, don't go for the outcome, go for what is it going to teach you, how is that going to help you in evolution. This outlook sort of changes everything that you do in life. And have holistic goals. That is very important, because emotional eating means in itself is an escape, right? So if you're escaping something, that means escape is a behavior pattern that you have. So that means you're escaping many things in your life. You're escaping tough conversations, you're escaping challenges and lot of things. So educating yourself, identifying these behaviors is the right way to go about things.